guys, what's up? So today I want to share with you guys this awesome collection by Ciate London. This is the Iris Apfel collection. Ciate London is a vegan and woman-owned brand, and I love how they push the boundaries and think outside of the box with who they collaborate with. But let's jump into the Iris Apfel collection. So at the top here inside the box, it's a quote from Iris herself that says, "More is more and less is a bore." I couldn't agree more, girl. And then right here it says, "For the creatives, the routine lovers, and the daredevils, this collection combines everything I have come to love about beauty over my 100 years. I have worked hard with Charlotte and the team at Ciate London on my new collection to ensure that every formulation has been designed with you in mind. I hope this collection acts as a reminder that to be truly yourself is to be unstoppable." So opening up this collection a little bit more, we have a booklet with Iris on the cover. And you guys, she just had her 101 birthday. If you guys don't know about Iris, read up on her. She is such an inspiring, interesting, admirable woman. She is a model, a fashion icon, and her husband worked in the textiles business for the White House, spanning over 9 presidencies. She has an Instagram that I happen to check out, and her quotes on there are amazing. She's all about self-expression and expressing yourself through your fashion, your style, and just through being you, and I love that. So opening up this booklet, it tells a little bit about the collaboration collection, a little bit about Iris, as well as every product in the collection, their benefits, what they do, and what they're used for. Inside this collection is a pair of Iris's signature glasses. I thought that was such a cute touch. Also inside, we have 2 5-piece eyeshadow palettes. This palette is called More is More, Less is a Bore, and this one is called Accidental Icon. So opening up the unicartons, we have the palettes here. This one is More is More, Less is a Bore, and it looks a little something like this. And then we have Accidental Icon, which looks like this. Also inside this collection is a Iris Apfel handheld mirror. And here is what the mirror looks like. Super cute. It's got Iris on it, and it is a huge mirror, you guys. Also in this collection are 3 gloss lipsticks. We have Witty, Original, and Exuberant. Let me go ahead and swatch all of these for you guys. I have on Original today, and I love it. So as you can see, the packaging is just as colorful as the unicartons. Here we have Witty. Super cute. Here is Original, which is on my lips today, and Exuberant, which is a fiery red. And last but not least in the Iris Apfel collection are the Nail Wrap Kit cheat sheets. You guys know how I love these. They are such an easy and fun way to get a manicure at home. And this one is so super cute. As you can see, it's got Iris's little face, eyes, her signature glasses, and some other cute things as well. So yeah, you guys, if you would like to see how I got this look on my face using the Ciate London Iris Apfel collection, then just stay tuned. All right, so first I'm taking the shade Inspired in the More is More, Less is a Bore palette. And that is just gonna go right into the crease, and we're just gonna blend that upwards. Now I'm going in with Immortalized, which is the brown in that palette. And I'm just placing this right into the crease to deepen everything up a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the Accidental Icon palette, and I am going to take this brown shimmer shade down here, which is called Faux Pas, and I'm just gonna place that towards the outer portion of my lid area. Dipping back into that other eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this shade right in here, which is called Rule Breaker, and just place that on the center of my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with Simple Pleasure, and that's gonna go towards the front of our eye. Now I'm going back in with Accidental Icon, and we're gonna go in with this shade up here called Eccentric. And I'm just gonna kind of place that over top this red right here, just to give it kind of a different look and feel. I lined my eye with a blue liner, and just to kind of play off that blue a little bit more, we are gonna go in with this bottom blue, and it is called Signature Look. And I'm just gonna place that right below the front of the brow for a little fun, quirky moment. Now on my lower lash line area, I am going to take this bronzy gold kind of shade here, and that's called Flamboyant. And we are also going to use this shimmery, beautiful gold here, which is called Curiosity. And I'm just going to apply those from darkest to lightest on my lower lash line area. So we'll start with Flamboyant, placing that out here, and then work our way in. Now I'm just adding a little bit of pizzazz to this look, applying some gems, some glitter, and we will do some funky graphic liner as well. And just applying some lashes. And now I'm just gonna do my lips. I decided to go with the shade Original. Here is the final look. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Ciate London for sending me this collection to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.